Hello there, for today's video, I will teach you how to get unlimited Google Drive storage. Note that this video is strictly for educational purposes only. This method is still working in February 2022, so watch this video to get unlimited Google Drive storage for free. To start, go to this website. You need to give a name for your Google Shared Drive storage. For me, I just use Google Drive Unlimited Storage. Then enter your email address. Below, you can customize your header theme, but for me I will just uncheck it. Click on Submit when ready. Just wait for it to load, then a prompt will appear when you successfully created your unlimited Google Drive storage. Now, it says successful. It's time to check it in the Google Drive. Go to your shared drive folder. Here's the folder named Google Drive Unlimited Storage. You now have unlimited Google Drive storage for free. You can now start uploading files on this unlimited storage. You can also create a folder where you can upload your files. Remember, do not upload personal files on it and always have a backup on all the files uploaded on this folder. That's all, you now have your free unlimited Google Drive storage. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more videos like this.